Hi, back again. In the last video, for the last slide, that I looked at what the future might be. And in this video, I'm going to expand on that because there's one area that I left off, and that's, although I did mention it, and the slide certainly contains reference to it, and that's the way that AR and VR is going to play a role in the future, not only of our system, that's the CAD and the drawing and architecture, but as life as a whole. Um, this is mine. This is my Google headset for augmented reality and virtual reality. You put the phone into there, you shut it up, load the software, and away you go into a land of whatever. And it works very well. Um, Little tiny controller that you have just to sort of point and click and do what you need to. It works. But sci-fi has had other ideas on this area. And if you go onto YouTube and watch the link that I've put up there for the Series H Plus, then you'll see that these guys or girls or ladies, whoever, who write sci-fi have got very different ideas on maybe some of the things that's going to happen. Take a look at Google Glass, completely the other end of the spectrum. Now, I wear glasses, so for me, it's no big deal. If I buy my next pair of glasses and there is something in it that says beam onto my eyeball and says there's today's weather or whatever, or all my emails come up and I'm just doing this all the time, absolutely fine with me. Magic Leap, mysterious company, they've invested an awful lot of money in AR and VR, and nobody really knows what they're doing. There's tantalizing tidbits coming out, and we really need to watch what they're doing. Then there's Microsoft HoloLens. Now, I've never actually played one yet. I have been told that there is one in the university, and it's the older version, version 1. Version 2's out at the moment, and looking at the videos, it's fabulous. It's VR and AR all rolled in, and it's this mixed reality system that some of the pundits go on about a lot. So I've separated this out, AR and VR. I think there's an awful lot to be looked at in this area of expertise and technology. How will it affect the way that the internet goes? But more importantly, how's it going to affect our way of working in our CAD systems and architecture and construction? Certainly, there are tantalizing glimpses out there. SketchUp have got a very good interface, mostly with HoloLens, but I've got one on my machine now that allows me to look at the SketchUp models I create within my Google headset. And I can see that easily becoming more and more mainstream in the future. So I've separated it out. Have a look and see what you think.